I only tried this recipe out of curiosity, but the results on my skin left me completely stunned. Today, I want to share a very special skincare recipe using cucumber, a simple ingredient that Japanese women have trusted for generations to keep their skin smooth and youthful. If you love natural beauty methods, make sure to watch until the end of the video. We'll start with our main ingredient, 1 fresh cucumber. Simply grate it finely to extract the juice. In ancient Greece, cucumbers were considered a natural cooling water used to soothe sun-damaged skin. And during Japan's Edo period, women used cucumber juice to keep their skin soft, reduce fine lines, and maintain moisture in the dry, cold climate. Thanks to its high water content, vitamin C silica, and antioxidants, cucumber has become one of the oldest and most trusted ingredients for soothing the skin, keeping it hydrated, and maintaining a youthful glow. After grating, use a fine strainer or a thin cloth to extract the cucumber juice. Pour the juice into a clean glass bowl for the next step. And don't throw away the pulp. We'll make good use of it later for a very helpful beauty tip. Next, prepare a handful of fresh parsley and chop it into small pieces so the nutrients can blend more easily into the mixture. Parsley is well known for being rich in vitamin A and vitamin C, 2 essential nutrients that help even out skin tone, support new cell regeneration, and reduce dullness. It also contains natural antioxidants that help the skin look brighter, healthier, and more radiant day by day. After chopping the parsley, place it into a large bowl and add the cucumber pulp as well. When combined, these 2 ingredients retain lots of fresh nutrients, perfect for the blending step that comes next. Now add 200 ml of water and blend everything until completely smooth. I actually learned this recipe by chance from a friend who works in the beauty industry. At first, I tried it out of curiosity without expecting anything, but the results shocked me. My skin became noticeably brighter, smoother, and more even-toned after just a few uses. Next, strain the mixture to extract the parsley cucumber juice. When combined with cucumber, this mixture turns into a refreshing, gentle toner that's very safe even for sensitive skin. With daily use, you'll notice your skin becoming brighter, softer, and more evenly toned. After straining, make sure to keep the leftover pulp because at the end of the video, I'll reveal a very useful way to repurpose it, and you definitely won't want to miss it. To finish the extracted juice, add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice and stir gently so the nutrients blend well together. The lemon helps boost the cleansing effect, supports brightening the skin, and balances its natural pH. Once the mixture is fully combined, pour it into a clean, airtight spray bottle for storage. Each time you use it, apply a small amount of toner onto a cotton pad and gently sweep it across your face. The cool, refreshing sensation will instantly soothe your skin while helping the surface become softer, brighter, and more radiant day by day. This toner can be stored in the refrigerator for about 1 month while staying fresh and effective. Have you ever used cucumber or parsley for skincare? If yes, share your experience with me. I'd love to hear your skincare story now. For the cucumber juice we prepared earlier, we'll add a few nourishing ingredients to turn it into a complete skincare blend. First, add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Thanks to its soothing and deeply hydrating properties, aloe vera helps reduce dryness, soften the skin, and support the recovery of delicate or sensitive areas. Next, add 4 to 5 drops of vitamin E into the mixture. Vitamin E helps boost moisture, improve elasticity, and support the skin's natural renewal process when used regularly. Finally, add about 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. This small amount helps balance the skin's pH, provides gentle cleansing, and enhances the pore tightening effect. Once everything is added, use a spoon to stir well until all the ingredients blend into a smooth, even mixture. You'll notice the texture becomes slightly thick, easy to apply, and very refreshing when it touches the skin. Now, you have a simple yet effective moisturizing cream. This formula not only hydrates and brightens the skin, but also helps maintain a smooth, healthy-looking complexion every day. To use it, simply apply a thin layer onto your skin. The cool, refreshing texture from the cucumber, combined with the softness of the milk and the soothing effect of aloe vera, absorbs quickly and feels comfortable from the very first application. You can use it every night to help your skin recover, stay hydrated, and become brighter day by day. Gently pour the mixture into a small bottle with a cap for easy storage and daily use. Then place the bottle in the refrigerator. With this method, the toner can be stored for about 1 month while still keeping its freshness, coolness, and skincare benefits. How old are you this year? And what skin concern is bothering you the most right now? Feel free to share so I can understand you better and support you on your skincare journey. Don't throw away the leftover cucumber and parsley pulp. You can completely reuse it to make a brightening face mask. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to boost the mask's brightening effect. This small amount of lemon helps gently exfoliate dead skin cells, even out skin tone, and support the fading of dark spots. When combined with the cucumber parsley pulp, the mixture becomes a gentle yet effective mask that helps your skin look brighter day by day. If you want to use it as a makeup remover, simply apply the blended cucumber to your face and gently massage to soften the makeup before rinsing with warm water. If you use it as a mask, apply it to your face and neck for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse clean. try to maintain this routine 2 to 3 times a week to notice visible improvements in your skin. After a short time, you'll see your skin becoming softer, less dull, and naturally brighter. When it comes to daily skincare, you don't need too many products. Just choose fresh, safe ingredients like cucumber, aloe vera, or lemon. That alone is a simple secret to keeping your skin healthy from within. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our simple natural health tips. Natural beauty, healthy every day. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in the next videos.